Ethical. Uh, Before I start, I'd like to thank Mr. David for sharing his valuable wisdom. As a young entrepreneur, I think that's very valuable to listen what he has gone through. Good morning, everyone. I'm Arvind from Bunsey. Bunsey is your simple creation and presentation tool. The problem that we are trying to solve is there is currently a lack of easy-to-use creation tool, especially in the classroom, that is accessible for all the ages, where you can create multimedia presentations, creations, anything. And the answer for that is our web application and our iOS application, Bunsey. Using Bunsey, users can create presentations, lesson plans, stories, scrapbooks, invites, anything. Any classroom creation need, any creation need for your home, like cards, invitations, scrapbooks, all those can be created using our platform. At its core, this is our creation canvas. It's just one screen where you can add all kinds of multimedia. I'm talking about multimedia like text, images, videos, audios. You can either upload this, you can record your own, or you can also search from the web right within the platform. Additionally, we have also created a professional asset library in-house that a user can also use and create using them on a platform. Once the creation is done, the resulting creation can then be shared via email, on the social, or also can be embedded on our websites. The latter option of embedding is very popular with our educators. Bunsey can be used anywhere. It's device agnostic. It can be used on any platform irrespective of the operating system you're running. All the user needs is an internet-enabled device. Bunsey is also for everyone. We adhere to ADA requirements. I would like to share a small story here. A few weeks ago, a teacher from Iowa called us in the office, and she was pretty choked. She had a special needs students in the class who always had a problem with all the tools. And she was expressing her gratitude, like, this student just got it. That's what we're trying to do. And this is why I'm in here, you know. And this is not an isolated incident. Bunsey is loved by educators across 48 states in the country, and we also have presence in over 72 countries. We're talking about countries like Tunisia, Bulgaria, all over the world. We are also humbled to have been recognized and awarded by leading organizations like American Association of School Library, eSchool Media, Discovery Education, most recently the Long Island Innovator Award. These are the verticals that we are going after. Bunsey started off as a consumer company. Then we pivoted because our early audience, who also happened to be some educators, talked about how it's a better fit in education. And through market research, we have now pivoted towards education. We are focused towards K-12 education. We also have plans to cater to the business market via white label product in the future. K-12, 55 million, that's our primary market. Ancillary markets are the post-secondary education in the United States, but globally, that's the biggest market. Globally, there's 668 million students in K-5 alone. Our business model. We have implemented a freemium pricing model. Currently, we have actually that number increased. Last I checked, the number was 79,000. You can also help increase those numbers, by the way. At the end of the presentation, after the meeting is done, you can help sign us up. You can actually take a look. 30% of those users are paid. We also additionally have 110K downloads on our apps. That's apart from these. And talking about engagement, 83% of our registered users are creating Bunseys on their repeat visits. We have a product that's loved by all. We have a growing community of loyal users. We have revenue, and we also have a growing brand. Now is the time, ladies and gentlemen, for us to ready to explode it. And this is the team that's going to help you do that. We are led by seasoned entrepreneur Maria Arturi. She is also the director of a medical foundation, where she has raised over $40 million in federal and private funding. I oversee the product and customer support in the company. Why I'm here? There are certain things that we still need to do our product based on our interactions with our customers, based on the feedback. They have planned, product roadmap. Edu Enterprise. Currently, we are targeting teachers, but in education, district superintendents have a lot more money. So we are trying to build out functionality for them. We are also trying to build out functionality to cater to our business clients. We are also trying to enhance our mobile app enhancements. Also, we need help on the marketing side, with improving our sales force, CEO, further talking to our customers in a personalized manner and all that. Our current marketing efforts, we have over 98K users on Facebook, over 1,000 users on Instagram, and over 2,000 followers on Twitter. We are also looking at partnerships with some of the industry giants. They are in different stages in the pipeline. Growth plan. The founders have personally invested $3 million. We are looking to raise another 5. And doing so, we'll be reaching our goal of 1 million students by the end of 2017. And I'm very optimistic that we'll do that. Thank you so much for your time.